is Charishma. I am studying in 5th grade from Kinesthetic School. Today let's learn about our heritage. Heritage is something that we inherit from our past. We have beautiful monuments, traditions and historical artifacts such as books and paintings, etc. All these things make our heritage. The material forms of our heritage include the monuments, sculptures, paintings, artifacts like crafts, jewelry, pottery, sculptures, books, weapons and tools. Nalanda University. Nalanda University was built about 1500 years ago. It is an ancient center for learning located near Patna, Bihar. It is a residential university, later became a flourishing center for Buddhist learning. It used to attract students and philosophers from all over the world. It had a huge library called Mountain of Truth. It stored thousands of books on astronomy, mathematics and philosophy. Taj Mahal, named a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Taj Mahal means Crown Palace. It is located on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in fond memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It was built in 17th century. The large white marble tomb and the dome are the main attractions for the Taj. It has 4 minarets at the 4 corners. White marble and precious stones have been used in it. More than 1,000 are partitions and craftsmen's worked on it. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar at Jaipur is the largest stone observatory in the world. It was built by Maharaja Jai Singh in the early 18th century. Because of his keen interest in astronomy, the observatory has 14 large instruments to measure time and determine the position of planets. One of its instruments, the Chandra or the giant sun, is the largest sundial in the world. The shadow of the sundial moves with every second and tells the time with precision. Ashokan Pillar. Emperor Ashoka constructed many tall pillars with inscriptions on them. They were made of single piece of stone. They were put up in many parts of his kingdom. The pillar found at Sarnath near Varanasi was built around 3rd to 4th century BC. It has 4 lions looking out in 4 directions. This is now our national emblem and we can see it on our currency, notes and coins. Fatehpur Sikri. Built the city. Emperor Akbar built the city of Fatehpur Sikri between 1570 AD and 1586 AD. Fatehpur Sikri was capital of Mughal Empire. It is entered through a huge gateway called Buland Darwaza. The high gate, which is over 53 meters high. Akbar lived there for 12 days. It is still in a good condition. Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace is situated in Mysore, Karnataka. This famous palace was built on 14th century and has been broken several times. The palace is blend of Hindu, Muslim and Western architecture. It is built from stone and has 3 stories with deep in marble tombs and a tower. And Dasara festival has been celebrated at the palace for the last 200 years. During the festival, the entire festival lit up by beautiful lights and many other artists perform at the palace. Premium Tomb. Premium was a Mughal king and father of the famous Emperor Akbar. After the death of Premium, his wife Khaja Begum started the construction of this tomb in the 16th century in Delhi. A Persian architect was specially invited from Afghanistan to design structure. This tomb is built with red sandstone in the middle of its floor. It has a garden with water channels running at its center. It is one of the most famous garden tombs in India. Premium Tomb is now a World Heritage Site. Konark Temple. The Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha is a beautiful stone temple built in the form of chariot of the sun god. It is made of sandstone and has 12 pairs of wheels and 7 horses. The spokes of the wheels are carved as sundials and can tell the time of the day. To gain clients, the entrancing gate. The Cathedral Church. The Sri Cathedral Church in Goa is one of the largest churches in Asia. The church's altar is dedicated to Saint Catherine of Alexandria, who was a Christian scholar and saint of the 4th century. It has 5 bells, of which the largest church bell is known as the Golden Bell. of which the largest church bell in Goa. The church is influenced by the Portuguese architecture. The construction of the church took hundreds of years and it was completed in 17th century. Golconda Fort. The fort of Golconda is situated near Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. It was built in 20th century and it is located on a hill. It has 10 kilometers long and thick outer walls. There are number of cannons, gateways and royal rooms. The most interesting features of the fort is built in such a way that the king would clap, the sound could be heard the fort main gate. The main gate of the fort is called Fateh Darwaza or Gate of Victory. It has steel spikes on it to protect the fort from the elephant attacks during the wars.